Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Millennial Day Trader. And before I start this video, I just want to make sure you guys like and subscribe, as well as share this content to people you may know that are looking to start investing into the stock market. And on that note, let's get to it. So the other day, I had a high school buddy of mine call me up, and he was actually watching my YouTube videos. And he was calling me because recently he was in to sports betting, and sports betting is the definition of gambling. It's either you win your bet or you lose all your money that you know placed on that bet. However, with betting, there's huge rewards and people can become millionaires overnight, so I do see the appeal to that. But he saw that my YouTube videos about stocks and investing in the stock market led to, consistent growth. And, some people do see investing in the stock market as gambling, but, I see it as risk management, but I'll save that for another video. So going back to the story, he called me watching my YouTube videos after receiving a pretty hefty loss in the betting world, the sports betting world. Since it just was football season, there was a lot of betting going on, and apparently he came out a little bit short. So he was like, "Bro, I need help investing in the stock market. I want to get invested, but I have literally zero experience or knowledge of what I'm doing." So, this is why I'm making this video. It's a step-by-step process on setting up your account, funding your account, and, starting to buy and sell shares and grow your account. So that's exactly what I'm going to talk to you about today. So the first step, is first you're going to need to open up a checkings account. I have a Wells Fargo, a US Bank, and a Chase Bank. So where, depending on where you are, you're going to have to find a bank that you like. And once you find a bank that you like, you're going to have to open up a checkings account. A checkings account is very simple, very straightforward. It's the most basic of basics account. You won't need to pay any monthly fees if you choose the correct bank, and there's no minimum requirements to uphold that checkings account. So, once you go on their website or in person and you set up that checking account, then that's the end of step one. So moving on to step two is choosing a broker to start trading stocks with. And there are thousands or not thousands, but there are dozens of brokers out there, and it can be kind of overwhelming to figure out which one to choose, especially if you're just starting off in the stock market. And although, this broker has been under a lot of heat recently, I still believe that Robinhood is the broker to go with if you're starting to invest in the stock market. Multiple reasons. I can also make a video on this, but primarily it's easy to use, it's intuitive, and it's very simplified, the setups. But yeah, it's very clear, straightforward, and helps you learn and grow as an investor. So that's step two. But download Robinhood. You can do more research if you like, choose your broker, but if you're here for just a straight tutorial, I would suggest Robinhood. So you can download that on your app or on the desktop, create your account, and then that's the end of step two. So step three, you got your account, you chose your broker, now it's time to fund that account. So what we need to do is that you have, your lump sum of cash, or, you just got your first paycheck. So what you're going to do is you're going to not invest, you're going to deposit that money into your checkings account. The checkings account that you opened up at your local or your bank in your area. So you're going to deposit your money there. So once that money is in that checkings account, what you're then going to do is actually going to go back to your broker account, and you're going to start funding your broker account. So a broker is just another term for trading app. So right here you can see we're on my Robinhood trading app. This is on the desktop, but they're pretty much the same. What you're going to want to do is click on the account button and go on to banking. So part of this step is you're going to link your checkings account once you fund that checking account, and you're going to link that checking bank account to your Robinhood account. So over here, for an example, we clicked on banking, and over here it's going to show add new account. We're going to want to click add new account, and the two things you're going to need from your checkings account is your account number and your routing number, and those are pretty easily accessible when you set up your checking account. So once you have that, it's going to be pretty straightforward. So for example, you're going to have Chase. You can type in your user ID and your password, whatever that may be, and it's going to ask you a bunch of other questions to identify yourself, to confirm your identification. And then from there, you're going to type in your account number as well as your routing number and send that money you have in your checkings account over to your Robinhood. So going back to my example, we're going to go banking, and right over here I can choose from my Chase, my US Bank, or my Wells Fargo checking to Robinhood. And for the amount of $100, however much, you can start off with $200, $2,000, however much you would like. And then you're going to click review transfer, and it's going to take some time to get into your Robinhood account, but they will give you instant access to your buying power, meaning that you place $200 into your account, and then they'll give you $200 to spend on stocks while your funds settle. So once you have that, then you'll be all set and ready to go and trade. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you guys want to see a follow-up video on maybe how to trade or like what stocks to trade, make sure you leave a comment down below. You know, I'm always looking for more ways to entertain as well as help you guys grow as investors. So hopefully this is a really good introductory video for you guys, and just, you know, very basic standard level. I know nothing about the stock market. What do? I want to get in. This is the video for you. Make sure you like, subscribe, as well as share, and I'll see you guys in the next one.